Here I have ALCATEL 1S 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So to do this, what you have to do, you have to, like, if you have the gestures navigation setup, you have to just like make like this with your finger, like from the bottom, and that's how you can enter the recent section. Here you can see all of your opened apps, which you probably don't use right now. If you have like the 3 buttons navigation, you have the recent button like next to the, it could be on the left or on the right, like depends on how you set it up. So when you enter this recent section, just tap on this cross, and after that all of these apps will be closed. And that's it. That's how it's done. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.